Hello guys, welcome back to Code with Clinton. In this video, in the previous video, we were able to push this website to Heroku, whereby we're able to host it on the internet. But we got this instead. We add an empty site whereby there is no database content on the site. So now in this video, I want to show you how to add some database content to this site to make it look like the one we have here in the style, whereby we can like read blog posts, we can add comments to a blog post and do some blog related stuff. So this time we can add comments over here and also do some blog related stuff. So now without further ado, I'm going to show you how to add some database content on this empty website. And mind you, this site is already deployed to the internet. Once you search using this domain name, you're going to land on this site. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to like add some database content. Without further ado, we are getting started right now. Okay, so now we need to head down to our bash terminal. So open the bash terminal. Okay, I'm on the bash terminal right now. I'm going to simply run. I'm not just on the bash terminal, I'm also in the roots of my Django project. So I'm going to run a command, and I have this documentation from Heroku. This documentation is currently from Heroku. So I'm going to link this documentation in the video's description. So do well to check it out. It's going to be of great help to you. So now I'm going to run a command. This command is going to help me check if I already have a database from Heroku. And here's the command: Heroku add-ons. Heroku add-ons. So get down to the bash terminal and run this command: Heroku add-ons. So we're going to say enter. It's going to take some time. Okay, the command has already run. So now I have a database created for me by Heroku. But if you don't have a database created for you by Heroku, you could simply run this command. So I'm going to copy it from this documentation. So I'm going to copy from documentation, and now I'll just paste it here. If you don't know, if Heroku does not create a database for you on their platform, you could run this command to create one for yourself. You understand? So just enter. Okay, now we just saw how to create a database manually if Heroku does not create anyone for you. So now I have two databases, one from Heroku and the other one I created myself. I could come over here to my Heroku platform and delete the one I created myself. Heroku has already made one for me, so there's no need for me making another one. So I could just delete the one I created. I showed you that in case Heroku does not create one for you. Understand? So now I think I can delete that now. So just click on this cancel button and delete the new database I created. It's of no need since Heroku has already made one for me. Okay, now we need to run the the Django command, Python manage.py create super user, so we can add some content to our website. Understand? But now I'm going to run this command: Heroku run bash. Enter. So the Heroku run bash command helps us to run Django command without using the Heroku run keyword. You understand? We're able to run Django command plainly. So I'm going to simply say Python manage.py create super user. Okay, unfortunately my bash terminal is not recognizing the Python command, so I'm going to exit this bash terminal right now. Exit. So I return back to my default way of writing this code, which is Heroku run. It might work for you, so try using the bash terminal on Heroku. I'm going to say Heroku run Python manage.py create super user. So I'm going to enter a username. I'm going to say Mr. Clint as my username. So it put an error. Let me just say, I'm going to say admin. I hope there's no error there. Okay, you see there's an error popping up. I'm gonna say Clinton 20, enter. Okay, ask for an email address. I'm gonna say clinton@gmail.com. Okay, for my password, 1234. My password is supposed to be hidden, but it's kind of visible. Okay, never mind. I'm gonna bring down the size once I'm through with this tutorial. So, okay, ask for my password again. Okay, just click on press Y, yes. Okay, super user created successfully. You can see our username is Clinton20. The password is 1234. You understand? So now I'm gonna head down to my admin section. Simple. I'll copy this domain. Control C. Okay, create a new tab. You're gonna paste that and put admin after the slash. So enter. It's loading. So now we can log in. Like my username is Clinton20. The password is 1234. So log in. Okay, we are logged into our Django tab, to our Django admin on the Heroku, you understand? So click on the posts. I want to add some posts. Come down here and click on add posts. Okay, it's kind of loading. So now we can see now we can add posts for our Django blog. So I'm gonna browse the image I want to add. Okay, so I'm gonna looking for the image. So I'm gonna add this image for my front end development. So I'm gonna pause this video while I add some items, understand, for the website. Okay, I've been able to add two items, one on front end and the other on full stack web development. So let's see our Django blog now. So get down to the Django blog, the one we've already deployed. So refresh the page. I hope it works. Just refresh the page. Okay, you can see now we've been able to like add some content to the Django website, the one that has already been deployed, the one that is already on the internet. You can see we have some content on our Django website. We have content on the front end development and back end, and front end and full stack web development. You can see we are currently live on the internet. The one we have here is the one on the production, on the development rather, the one we have on my local I have on my local computer. Why the one I have here is one live on the internet now. We've been able to deploy our blog fully to the internet through the help of Heroku. So let's see if we could get into and read more on this blog post. So now I just clicked on the read more button. Okay, yes, we can. You can see now, according to what we have here, we could get into read more on the blog post. I could also add a comment if I want to. So let's say my name is Clinton. I could just say I found this to be interesting. I found this to be interesting. Okay, click on submit. I just hope everything works fine. So scroll down, you can see my comments is over here. So now I've been able to like deploy a Django blog to the internet. This is the part 2 series. In the part 1, I showed you how we're able to like deploy the empty website to the internet, but now we're able to add some database content to the site. I hope you really enjoyed this video. So I'm going to add the link to this Postgres to this Heroku Postgres documentation. I recommend you read more on this. You're going to learn a lot about Heroku Postgres configuration, everything you need to know about how to configure them on Django and on different programming languages and frameworks. So thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel as I make videos regularly on Django and also on JavaScript. So we'll meet in the next video. Thank you for watching. Until we'll see again. Bye bye for now. Thank you.